Here's a look at this diabetic supply case right here. Has a really nice, easy to open zipper on it. And then when you open it up, you've got like two separate compartments. This one right here is a mesh pocket, a zipper. And it comes with a little leash lanyard that you can attach to it if you want. So nice little zipper pocket right there. And then down here, you've got an elastic section. Got this strip right here. Got two little storage containers that have little locks on them. So I can get out of the way and let the camera focus just like that. Snap shut. And then it also has this piece right here that you can slide around, take in and out as you need. So it's a great little case. It's nice and strong and sturdy. Zipper works well on the outside and the inside. So just a great case right here. I think you'll be really happy with it.